Today I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats. They can be really, really tasty and nutritious and a quick breakfast if you don't have much time in the morning. The first one I'm going to show you is carrot cake. So I have a half a cup of the oats, I have a grated carrot, I have some raisins, some Greek yogurt, a little bit of maple syrup and some cinnamon. So we're going to mix them all together in a bowl. And I'm going to add in, so for the half cup of oats, I have half a cup of milk. Sometimes it's really handy to just pop it into a jar and then you can just grab it on the go as you go out the door in the morning. So in here you have your carrot, your Greek yogurt, your raisins, your oats, your cinnamon and a little bit of maple syrup. Leave that in the fridge overnight and grab it on the go. You can top it off with maybe yogurts and chopped nuts if you like. But there you have overnight oats carrot cake. For our basic overnight oats recipe, per person I would have a half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a half a cup of milk, about a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, and then I don't tend to add any sweetener, but you could add a little bit of maple syrup or honey if you like. Stir it all together, leave it overnight, and then the next morning I would tend to pop it into a bowl and then top it off with the toppings of your choice. So we might have, say, some raspberries, some blueberries, and maybe some nice fresh Irish strawberries. Top it with some chopped nuts too if you like. And there you have a really tasty overnight oats, either in a bowl like this or in a jar like this that you can take on the go. The most popular way to have overnight oats in my house is where I make a smoothie and then put it into the oats. So I'm going to pop in one banana, then I put some beautiful fresh mixed berries. I will put in a tablespoon of live Greek yogurt and a cup of milk. So this is for 2 people that I'm making this recipe. And then we simply blitz it up. Then I'm going to stir in my smoothie into my cup of oats. And I simply pop that in the fridge overnight and the next morning serve it up in a bowl. I don't then top it with any fruit or yogurt because it has everything in it. Thanks for watching today's kitchen skills video on how to make overnight oats. Today I made the carrot cake one, the smoothie one which my kids love each day, and a plain one topped with berries. Please like and comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Why not check out my other videos, like skills like how to cut a mango or a pineapple, maybe to go on your overnight oats. Thanks for watching. See you soon.